everyone, Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry's. I've got an awesome truck to show you today. This is a 2017 Ram 2500. It is the crew cab, so you get the 4 doors. It is 4-wheel drive, does have the big Hemi in it, which is gasoline 6.4 liter. Really impeccably kept. It's hard to find trucks this clean. This one just come in on trade, so I'm excited to review this for you. I just got back from a test drive on it. Drives out really good, brakes felt good. All that was really strong. Up here, the front windshield looks good. I don't notice any cracks or anything like that. The hood doesn't have tumors. It's got a little ice buildup is all. So it rained last night and then froze. We have the chrome package up front here. So you get the chrome bug deflector, which is nice. Chrome grill inserts. And then the bumper down here is all chromed out, which really makes this truck really stand out nice. Does have, looks like a tow flat system on it where you can tow this flat. Whoever had this before probably had a motorhome where they towed this behind. Down here, it does have some aftermarket grid wheels, which look to be newer, wrapped in Toyo, all-terrain, open country tires. Wheels themselves are 20-inch, and tires show a lot of tread left on them. Does have these aftermarket fender flares, which I like. They're painted to match, same exterior color, which is that blue streak. Got our Hemi badging here, and we got our Ram 2500 badging. Notice it's got the running board, wheel-to-wheel running board, which I like. Most running boards stop right here at this door. This, you get a little bit extra space, allows you to step up and reach out something out of the bed of the truck. Interior is just impeccable. It's a bighorn, so you get the cloth. Has fold-out storage there. I'll show you more on the inside when we get to the other side. Same fender flare back here. You can get it and see a little bit of the frame of the truck in this wheel well. Looks really nice and solid. I don't see any exterior rust on it. Has backup camera, has your bighorn badging, has backup sensors in the chromed out bumper, has some wiring for towing, 4-pin and 7-pin. And it's got your big 2.5-inch receiver there for towing. This truck is equipped with the electronic brake controller as well, which is really nice. I'll show you that when we get inside. Has a hard fiberglass tonneau cover. Now, financing is available on this pickup, so if you're needing financing, I will post a link down below of how to get started with that. A lot of people who watch our videos take advantage of that, so check that out. Let's go ahead and get inside. Before we do, it does have keyless entry with remote start. Just hit that button twice and it fires right up. I don't know if you heard that, but it started right up. All right, let's come in because I'm cold. All right, as we come in, has just over 90,000 miles. It has 90,448 miles on it. Let me get the brightness up there for you so you can see that a little bit better. No warning lights or anything like that on here, which is nice. Let me go ahead and put the key in the ignition so it tells me to do that. There we go. Get everything fired up here. So I got the key in the ignition. Yeah, 90,448 miles. Again, no warning lights as you can see up there, other than it says wash your fluid low, which they'll get that filled in when they get in the service department. We have automatic headlights, has power mirrors and power windows and locks. Steering wheel is leather wrapped and heated too, which feels good today. And then here we have our cruise control, and then back here you have volume, and then on this side you have your hands-free connectivity for your cell phone as well as your cluster control. It's got that nice digital cluster there, which will tell you your fuel mileage, mile per hour, a lot of different things there, when to change your oil, all that. And then over here you have tuning. Does have the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. This was the nicest radio at its time. I'm going to go ahead and put it in reverse over here and show you the backup camera. And then also it's got, on the radio, it's got Sirius XM capabilities as well as AM and FM. You have your heated seat controls, heated seats up front here. You can get into climate, and then it does have factory navigation. Right here is your 4-wheel drive selector. Buttons and knobs for radio and heat and air. And then here is that electronic brake controller that's going to power your brakes on your travel trailer 5th wheel that you're towing behind. When you hit the brake pedal down here, it's going to send brake signal back there for those electronic brakes to work. Here we've got heated seats, heated steering wheel buttons, and then it's got a spot for your phone, which I love. That way your phone doesn't slide all around. A couple beverage holders, kind of a catch-all here with power source. Change organizer. It does have USB plug-in right here and a 12-volt power right there. Again, everything shows really clean. If you're looking for a nice, lightly used pickup truck, definitely take a look at this one. I pulled up the history report, never been in an accident, which is good. Score's really good as well. So we post these on our website, so definitely check that out. And always, if you like our content, definitely like and subscribe, and always comment down below too. We love to get the discussion going online. Has the programs up here so you can program your remote controls for your garage doors. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and hanging out with me for a little bit of your day. And if you have any questions, feel free to give one of our representatives a call. Take care.